Most lawn care business owners think software is just a nice to have, until missed jobs and messy scheduling start costing real money. Here's the truth no one tells you. In lawn care, your software is not just organization. It is your profit control system. In this video, we are breaking down the top 5 best software options for lawn care businesses in 2026, what each one does best, and which type of business should use it. Let's get into it. At number 5, we have Mark8, known as Mark8. This is a simple and affordable option for small lawn care companies or solo operators. It helps with scheduling, invoicing, and basic customer management without overwhelming features. For someone like Jake who just started a mowing service with 2 workers, Mark8 feels easy and fast to learn. But here's the problem. As your roots grow and you add more recurring clients, it starts to feel limited in automation and advanced planning. At number 4, we have Jobber, known as Jobber. This is one of the most popular choices in home services, and for good reason. It makes scheduling, quoting, and invoicing extremely simple. Now here's where it gets interesting. Jobber is especially strong for recurring lawn care work like weekly mowing or bi-weekly maintenance. You can set schedules once and let the system handle reminders and job assignments. But if you need advanced route optimization, it may not go deep enough for larger crews. At number 3, we have Housecall Pro, known as Housecall Pro. This platform is built for growing service businesses that want better automation and customer communication. It offers strong scheduling tools, payments, and marketing features. For a business like Alex Lawn Care Company with multiple teams, Housecall Pro helps reduce confusion and improves customer follow-ups. But here's the trade-off. It can feel slightly less tailored for route-heavy operations compared to lawn-specific tools. At number 2 we have LM, known as LMN. This one is more specialized for landscaping and lawn care businesses. It goes deeper into job costing, estimating, production tracking, and profitability. Now here's where it gets interesting. LM is not just about scheduling. It is about knowing exactly how much money each job is making. For growing landscaping companies, this is a huge advantage. But it does come with a learning curve, so it is not the simplest option. And finally, at number 1, we have Servicetitan, known as Servicetitan. This is the most powerful all-in-one system for large service businesses. It includes advanced scheduling, dispatching, reporting, marketing tools, and full operational control. For large lawn care or landscaping companies managing multiple crews and high-volume routes, Servicetitan can handle serious complexity. But here's the downside. It is expensive and often too advanced for small businesses. So here is the simple breakdown. If you are a solo operator or just starting out, Mark8 is a budget-friendly choice. If you want simplicity with strong all-around features, Jobber and Housecall Pro are solid mid-level options. If you want deep landscaping-focused profitability tools, LM is a strong specialist. And if you are running a large operation and need enterprise-level control, Servicetitan is the top tier. The key takeaway is this. The best software is not the most popular one. It is the one that matches your business size, crew structure, and how complex your daily scheduling really is. If you choose correctly, your lawn care business runs smoothly and predictably. If you choose wrong, you spend more time fixing problems than cutting grass. If this breakdown helped you understand the best lawn care software in 2026, make sure to like the video, comment with your business size, and subscribe for more real-world comparisons that help you make smarter decisions.